Hello everyone, and thank you for joining us again on Vista Buzz for another episode. My name is Todd Sellers.
And I'm Christina Barea.
And we have a guest again here today. We have the project manager, Kedar.
Kedar Joshi, our rock star. We
Yes.
introduced him in our previous episode of Vista Buzz and bringing him back because we couldn't get enough of everything that he knows about manufacturing.
Yes. And so today, I think we're going to be talking, Kedar, about the cat nesting, integration and quotations of manufacturing companies, that type of thing.
Yes.
See if you can kind of tell us, what are some of the problems manufacturing companies are having right now?
Actually, we discussed last time also that manufacturers are having very peculiar problems with them. And one of the major problem with such manufacturers are, to generate instantaneous quotations based on the requirements from B2B customers or even B2C customers for that matter.
Okay.
Why they are not able to respond very quickly to the quotations or to the estimations, because there are a lot of technicalities involved to generate such quotations. So typically it involves integration needed between CAD, between nesting software, or between some other technical capabilities which need to be function properly to come up for the precise quotations.
And that's been, traditionally it's been a very manual process, right?
Yes.
You email somebody a diagram and they look at it.
Yeah, so this is what everybody is doing even these days also, like back and forth, going between different departments or employees, interacting through emails and things like that. So manufacturers are really looking out for such a solution to address this issue, and we have come up with the e-commerce solution for such peculiar problem, and we have given a solution for a specific manufacturer case I can take here, which is for water jet cutting manufacturing process.
Oh, sounds interesting. Can you tell us all about it? What did you design?
So what we did to address this peculiar problem, that instead of going between back and forth between employees or between departments or even between manual intervention on many softwares or many processes, we came up with the entire automation for this solution. So we integrated CAD drawings with nesting software along with the entire ERP. So nesting software will give the necessary inputs to generate the quotations. Then the CAD will give the necessary design or additional inputs needed to complete that quotation, and the quotation will get generated automatically, instantaneously from the ERP software, and will be available on the e-commerce platform instantaneously to any customers who would like to visit the e-commerce web portal.
That sounds.
Wow.
And what's the turnaround time for that? How?
It's instantaneous, online, real time.
So a matter of seconds.
It's a matter of seconds.
So the portal that they're putting the drawing in, the CAD drawing in, goes straight to the nesting software. It
Yes.
calculates and spits back a result to the e-commerce, and the business has an instant quote on what that project would be.
Yes.
Wow,
Because we
fascinating.
have utilized the API connectors available online, and the instantaneous quotations is quite possible with these connectors, what we developed in our Odoo ERP software.
Incredible.
Wow, incredible. This sounds as though, like, hey, no owner or manufacturing company has to fly out to the corporations or so and sit down with them. You're reducing man hours, time.
Absolutely.
And everything is actually been expedited, even for the product inventory issues that any manufacturers may have. It seems as though now this solution fits everything, the nesting, the CAD,
Yes.
even the ERP. I mean, this is wonderful.
Yeah, because as to enhance your statement, once the quotation is available on the platform, it will, and once that has been confirmed, because customer can instantaneously pay through payment gateways from the same portal.
Oh, wow.
And once that has been confirmed, the same information will get triggered to generate the manufacturing order or the work order through their respective routings, and manufacturing department can start the work on the same information.
Can the platform also account for variables in materials? Let's say the customer has a single design that they want to evaluate across different materials, maybe specifications, can they?
Absolutely. Customer can choose any material or metal. Customer can choose any thickness. They can take any design the way they want and provide that design through CAD software, and everything can be incorporated within the solution instantaneously.
That's incredible. And what about on the back end? What does that look like for the business, the manufacturing business? How are they seeing this operate on the back end?
Well, everything is coded behind the scene in the Odoo e-commerce platform. Excuse me. And once the sales order or the quotation has been confirmed on the web portal, the same document gets posted in the sales module of the Odoo system, so that a sales order can be generated in the system on the back end.
So it's complete from quotation all the way to an order. It's all happening automatically in the system.
Absolutely.
Wow, that's incredible.
What have some of the places? What have some of the business owners said in response to that? Their comments.
Well, it was kind of a dream for them, and because that reduced a lot of intervention, a lot of time factors, or even the manual probability of manual error introduction because of the manual intervention.
Right, that's another benefit. Yes.
Man, that's huge. And I even understand it for the manufacturing company, the nesting, even actually it says they save some of that metal. It actually doesn't, the usage of that is actually saved to the nesting as well.
The nesting itself
Yeah.
gives that benefit of saving the metal or the reusing of metal for the future orders, and it improves a lot of efficiency within the manufacturing organization itself.
That's great information, Kedar, and we so appreciate you walking us through those examples. I can only imagine once we get this out there for other businesses, manufacturers, that there's several other applications that this could work for as well.
Yes, definitely. In fact, a lot of more such applications are available with our connectors, and we can definitely provide any peculiar solution with our connectors for any manufacturer.
Wow.
So in parting words, what last thing could you say to a manufacturer who might be interested in this technology? What would you share with them today?
Be a futuristic organization in today's world and go online real time
That's great.
to meet customers.
That's exciting.
Wow,
That's
so
a
the
cutting edge technology.
Yes.
And you're the mastermind.
I would be happy.
You're the mastermind of this, man.
That's why we call you the
Kedar.
rock star.
The rock star.
He's the rock
Kedar
star.
the rock star. I like that.
Absolutely.
Kedar the rock star. So hey, here you have it, guys.
Thank you.
Manufacturing companies, please tune into this type of technology that we're offering here. This is the future. It's now. Hey, thank you for joining this episode here. We appreciate you guys. And again, Todd Sellers.
Christina Barea.
And we have a guest, Kedar. Thank you again. Kedar the rock star.
Thank you so much.
Kedar, you're awesome. Thanks so much for sharing your
Yes,
expertise with us.
Appreciate it. Thank you so
Yes.
much.
See you guys next time.